Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Have you ever found yourself pondering over what exactly 12-factor applications are? Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. Factor 1. Codebase. There should be exactly one codebase for a deployed service, with the codebase being used for many deployments. This means the same application code should be capable of being used across all deployment environments, such as staging, testing, and production. Factor 2. Dependencies. An application should explicitly declare and isolate its dependencies. This ensures it doesn't rely on the implicit existence of system-wide packages, leading to a more controlled and manageable application environment. Factor 3. Config. Store configuration that varies between deployments in the environment. This factor advocates for strict separation of configuration from code, reducing the risk of potential discrepancies and security issues. Factor 4. Backing services. Treat backing services as attached resources. This means that all services the app consumes over the network as part of its normal operation are treated as attached resources, allowing flexibility and portability. Factor 5. Build, release, run. Strictly separate the build and run stages. This provides a clear contract between the application and the deployment environment, reducing potential conflicts and issues. Factor 6. Processes. Execute the app as one or more stateless processes. This ensures that any data that needs to persist is stored in a stateful backing service, such as a database. Factor 7. Port binding. Export services via port binding. This means the app is completely self-contained and does not rely on runtime injection of a web server into the execution environment to create a web-facing service. Factor 8. Concurrency. Scale out via the process model. This means that each process should be able to run and scale independently of the others. Factor 9. Disposability. Maximize robustness with fast startup and graceful shutdown. This ensures that processes can be started or stopped at a moment's notice, allowing for more robust and reliable systems. Factor 10. Dev-Prod Parity. Keep development, staging, and production as similar as possible. This ensures that all environments are running the same code, reducing potential conflicts and bugs. Factor 11. Logs. Treat logs as event streams. This means that applications should not attempt to manage their own log files, but should instead write their event streams to stdout. Factor 12. Admin processes. Run admin management tasks as one-off processes. This means that these tasks are run in an identical environment as the regular long-running processes of the app. So, to summarize, 12-factor applications are a set of principles designed to make software-as-a-service applications more robust, scalable, and maintainable. They focus on code-based management, dependency isolation, configuration separation, service attachment, build, release, run cycles, stateless processes, port binding, concurrency, disposability, dev-prod parity, log management, and one-off admin processes. These factors, when properly implemented, can significantly improve the development and deployment process, leading to better, more reliable software. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of what 12-factor applications are all about. Remember, these are guidelines, not rules. They're here to help you create better applications, but it's always important to consider the specific needs of your project and team. So go forth and build some fantastic software.